What's good with y'all? You know.
You already know. It's me and him.
So nah, my YouTuber. But
It's Bruce. Well, not the right hairstyle right now, though, but mine did have the right hairstyle. I think he did like one video with that. Anyway.
Yeah, like I was saying, we unboxing the new camera we got. New camera.
45,000. Or 400. And $50 phone, no?
400 camera. You know the vibes. Let's open this.
Is it 4K?
Yeah,
Is it HD?
Of course.
How many frames per second?
I don't know, 60. Alright.
Doesn't matter.
Let's see.
I used to want to be a hand model when I was growing up.
Me too. Alright.
So,
I don't know what's all that.
I'm assuming this part just got little pieces. That's it.
Charge?
But it's a PS3 charger. I don't know if you call them, but that's definitely a PS3 charger.
I don't know if I look at that, but. Right.
That goes for PS3, doesn't it? And then right here we got the USB chip for the computer.
You know, the remotes and stuff.
The memory card, 64 gigabytes. Up on this thing.
Pressure.
Then we got this little pouch. Little handy thing. I don't know if that's what, but we got that too. Let's get to this side.
But before we get to this side, let's cut to the commercials.
You already know. Did it go yet? Hey, I'm Rhonda. Some of you might know me as the founder of BBF. And I'm a co-founder, Cam, and everything. Today I'm here to tell you guys, we're broke. We're not poor though. I'll see what that looks like. Come on. Now this is one poor bastard. We gotta stop this in the economy. It's not alright for these dirty hobos just to be looking like this outside. I'm not gonna touch it though, but I will poke with this stick.
Bro, hey, what the fuck you going, bro?
Look at the animal.
I was just asleep. I'm tired, bro.
Get a job, you poor bitch.
Bro,
You're just walking over. You know, I'm goddamn CEO. So, bitch. But poor people. They're dangerous to our society. They're rabid animals with long nails just foaming at the mouth. We gotta watch out for them. We gotta get them off the street. We gotta lock them up. Put them somewhere where they'll be safe at, like Arkham Asylum. And today, I'm just here to warn you. Stay woke, kids. Oh, shit.
welcome back to Experience.
You already know.
Unboxing, yeah.
Roll the commercial. Don't tell me, I don't really care.
Yeah.
Alright, let's open up this other side.
Ooh.
How about you? I don't know, hold it.
Nah, I got it. There you go.
Okay, boom. Off the rip, we got some stuff we don't even know about.
Off the rip.
Let's grab some things.
Where's my the camera right here.
This is the mount. It's the mount, boom.
This, I don't know what this is.
This is a leather bag of some sorts. But I believe, kind of hard to grab, actually. Is this a, I think it's a lens.
I don't know what that is. This holds camera, I think. I'm not sure.
It's a lens. A 4K Ultra HD 0.39x super wide angle lens. Japan Optics.
Yeah, we gotta keep that clean. Might just put.
Yeah, put this name right back on it. What the?
Oh, I thought you dropped the lens.
Man, already it's crazy. But one thing I do like, it's wide lens, wide everything actually.
Yeah. Plug.
Wide body cars, wide lens, a wide bank account.
Batteries. Yeah, batteries.
That's gonna need them. We're gonna just keep one up for right now. We got a white box right here by the white mirror. This is something under it too, I think. In a white case, we got the
foam. Alright, we got foam under it.
the model. It needs charging. I don't know what it is though, but this charger just.
See what this is. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
We're gonna throw that bitch on it. We're gonna throw that thing on the charger right this.
Alright.
And we got the mic.
Yeah.
The ultra great sound. What the fuck is this?
That was under it.
You didn't hear me cuss. All you heard was a loud beep. A loud beep.
Yeah, we got
What's
the
my
mic.
beep?
And last but not least,
It's the box.
no,
Oh,
the camera. Yeah.
that's her name though.
Alright, let's open this up.
Mm. 4K what?
4K 28.0 megapixels.
Right.
Super zoom, Wi-Fi, time lapse, 3.1 inches. Sounds pretty big to me. Alright, menu, and hey,
Snapping on.
yeah, I know. I know.
It's not the commercial, bro. You overexcited.
Y'all not ready. Man, you gonna be popping out, yeah. Popping out, yeah, it's like a yeah.
An SD slot right there.
I don't know. Yeah, the battery not inside. I don't know why I tried to turn it on.
Well, we'll record a video.
With this,
We'll see how many we can do.
we can record the Congress video.
But it's been supposed to do it, but it was his birthday. I want to dress like this. My life. The light inside my life is dying. Every day I'm closer and closer to no light.
Yeah, that's the end of the that's the end of the unboxing video. Yeah, this
I'm dying inside.
we didn't tell you what type of camera it is. I don't know. We're just gonna leave it at that. It's unnamed. Got it off Amazon.
ORDRO.
This camera, 400.
1,000.
No, just 400.
Billion.
No, just 400.
Million. The light inside me is dying.
I got saying, camera 400.
Trillion.
Got off Amazon. You know, looks decent. Looks decent. I haven't tried it yet. Just you wait.
Well,
Type shit.
we're gonna fully take off the wrapping on this bad boy. Put a battery in it. Charge wherever the fuck. Charge wherever this brick is. Then here again, you didn't hear me cuss. I don't cuss. We're gonna charge this. Put that on the charger. Put the battery in that. Test out that lens. Test out this beautiful lens right here. Got a nice little seal on the back of it. I don't know why I just did that. But hey, you watch BBF. Do you feel broker? Because you should.
We're broke, not poor. It's the difference. That's our slogan.
Merch might be coming. Supposed to be coming like 2 years ago now, but
Yeah.
we're broke.
We supposed to make merch when we had 20 subscribers.
19.
19. Still haven't made none. Crazy part.
I'm trying to come back to YouTube more often. It's kind of hard. Really, we just play Roblox.
It's hard for you.
I'm sorry. What's your video
I mean,
idea?
that's the end of the video.
So it's been a total of 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
We test out the camera. We got all hooked up and everything.
Yeah.
It's garbage compared to it's garbage compared to our old camera. So we're just gonna use the old cameras.
The phone is better.
It is better.
Okay.
We spent like 1,000 on the phones and
This phone's 400.
only it's not worth it for. We thought it'd be good. We thought it'd be good though.
I mean, this is good for the scary movie though.
If we did a scary movie skit, most likely would. We'll do a scary movie skit.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be funny. Hopefully. We'll be broke.
Definitely.
Of course.
Always
On that, this is our review.